My preview is up there. And oh, there we go. Now we are live on YouTube. Finally. Now, it took a moment, and for some reason there is also some speaking up from my phone internet. That's a couple of things that phone plugged in. So let's see if we can get a better connection. There we go, excellent connection. And now we are really live. Okay. There. Now we're good. Hi, Dachi. Oh, okay, looks like we will be making a move. Let's see how it goes. Can be that we make a move to the, we're taking this one. If we break below here, then our trading is validated, we're out, but it was pretty solid, this move. Our indexes have crossed, as you can see. So the euro is the blue line. Euro is stronger right now than the dollar. Not enough. Generally, we want to see this one above the 12 points, but obviously we cross from a downtrend to what we are now in a differential. So maybe still a pullback. We don't know for sure, but we can probably squeeze a couple of pips. This is the red line is the 1 minute sentiment. The yellow line is the 5 minute sentiment. They are both quite aggressively to the upside, even though now they are tapering a little bit, but let's see what this play out. For now, we don't have to worry about anything. Yes, good. It looks like my camera is a little bit off, but okay, nice. And so we move into profit now. I'm gonna watch this high level up here. Could be potentially a good point for the price to reverse, but we'll see what it does. Now looks like we're going okay. We're opening up. There is a little bit of expansion, which I'm gonna mark our entry for. That's not what I would like to see. Gonna mark this line in blue. That was our entry. The 5 minutes is still a lot of room for expansion. Obviously the sentiment is really aggressive, and it broke two highs. It broke the high of this first pullback and broke the high of this resistance, so we should be okay. Yeah, but we'll see. Okay, now we see what the indexes does. We're going back to the downside. Let's see if we get a bounce from the zero line or if we cross below it. Which basically means this is actually a reflection of the divergence of these two indices. So it's a divergence of the euro value against the dollar value. So for now we're down spread. The spread with this broker is 9/10 of a pip. It's already from our entry now we're down 1.5 pip, but it's quite aggressive. So I don't know quite yet. Speedos bounce is still up. So really, I mean, we are from the entry. We have 6 pips. That will be our loss. By the way, the way I operate and the way I manage my risk is I take the first trade. If the first trade reverses on me, then I take a second entry on what I think is the reversal, and I double my entry. And if that also fails, then I stop, because generally that means that we are stuck in a range, and I don't want to be stuck in a range. So I stop, I cross check, make sure that there is a clear direction in the market, and then I continue trading. But generally, as you can see, the signal are pretty strong. So here the indexes, they only touched, and then we got this strong reversal to the upside. So it was a big rejection of this level, and sentiment is now pretty aggressive back to the upside. It doesn't mean that it will go, but it's a good sign. So now we're just in a little bit of a consolidation move. Can be before another big move to the upside, but we'll see. What is good is now I get a new low, and I can actually use this new low as my exit. So really now my risk has become 3 pips, because we know that if it goes below this level, there's big chances that that the move will reverse. I wouldn't enter anyway, because if he reverses here, I'm definitely gonna wait for him to break below down here before I take an entry. It's gonna bounce around for a bit, and it's gonna go into a range, that's for sure. Hey, Cody. Was the 51 bit? That's a good one. Yeah. Yeah, that is something that I still struggle with, watching the bid and the ask when we're going. That's I still don't make super sense to me. But I guess that's an extra thing to add eventually. Let's see here. I'm quite confident on this move. By the way, Cody, while you are here, do you mind telling me if you hear me okay, or I have my laptop ventilator is going into overdrive with everything that I have open. So I don't know if you can hear some background noise that's pretty aggressive, or there we go. Yeah, I thought so. That's really one of my biggest problems. Starts to become the exit more than the entries. I'm quite confident with the entries that I take right now. Okay, cool, thanks. I'm quite confident with the entries that I take right now, but the exits sometimes I'm just like, oh. I was streaming on TikTok, and I got suspended until March 13 for fraud and scam. So I guess they don't like me trading the EUR-USD on TikTok then. Okay, fine. Let's see what we're doing here. Still, I mean, the M5 sentiment is tapering down, but the M1 is still holding the price. So the 251 bid was holding it down once it clears that. Oh, okay. All right. So now I guess what we are holding it down is, oh, well, not anymore. There we go. Here it goes. There we go. So now I guess now we have the 280, 281, 282. So basically what you're saying, Code, is when you are on an uptrend like now, we're looking at the bid price, and if we see it stopping or hanging around the level or getting rejected by a level, we look for the level to be destroyed, let's say, or to be cleared. Well, here is a really nice move up. I'm just a little bit worried about this 301 level. Stapling down in 5. Down here we didn't really make anything big on this move. I actually misaligned. Wrong time to do that. Fix in a second. So now we are here at the 300. Let's see if we clear the 300 or if we get really rejected. Why? Let's see if we get the 300. Get few more pips on this move. We have room for more. Yeah. I see the M1 below. I'm happy with this. I wonder if most likely it's going to go into a little bit of a range around this before moving up again. But for now, I stay a little bit away from it. Me at the end of the day, 4 pips, and there we go. Clockwork says sentiment. Sentiment works like clockwork. Maybe if I get a sentiment aggression, I'm taking a re-entry. It gets a little bit predictable eventually, yeah. We want to see breaking that 300, and we are really dancing a little bit. I don't know why, I feel like the format of my webcam is just not right. also put, let's mark where we exited. Let's mark our exit. The color is better. Back to the downside, looks like. Maybe it's me. That was funny. Keep kicking it anyway. Not much happening right now, huh? I'm gonna wait for let's see, we have another half an hour. Let's see if we can take one more trade. In the meantime, we'll look. Still trying to figure out why I see people. Maybe that was is down. We're getting this cross. That needs to be greater than this. So we go 30. 30. Okay, we move 35. Crossing trend is definitely down. Volume is broken down. This candle. Index is definitely crossed, but not quite enough to go anywhere. Not quite enough to become anywhere. To be going anywhere. Can be. It's just a retracement, and it's gonna go back to the 300 again. Potentially. Yeah. I like what you guys have done with the Discord now. Looks very neat. Yeah, it was a good exit. I read the sentiment pretty good about. So it's at some point when you keep looking at it long enough, you guys were right, the sentiment becomes really clear. This looks interesting also. Let's see if it breaks below the low. Then it's definitely gone. I'm just a little bit worried if this low is gonna bounce again or it's gonna break. That's the only thing that's holding me back. Let's see if it clears. Ooh, we did. There we go. We're taking out. Let's go. Big of a move. I don't know, sometimes I wait too long to enter. Obviously this was a big reversal and the index is closed before, but I don't know if it was the right move to wait for the low to be breached. Now the way the aggression with it broke that level makes me think that it's gonna go a few pips. Let's see if the... So now I guess we are waiting for the ask to break. But now it's looking like it's getting stuck at the 206. So we're looking for the ask to break below the 200. And then I think we see a level lower. But it's not really. Yeah. I wish he didn't. I wish he hadn't done that, but I think we still have room for a couple of pips to come out of here. It's just we are again at that low here on the 185. There is that low again, I think. Need to have a little patience here. Let's see if we get. So am I correct in assuming that now what we really want to see is the ask dropping below this 200 level, and from there expect an extension lower? Then is that the principle of bid as bounce? Mm, 5 minutes. So tapering higher now. That's okay. There we go. 199, 199, 200, 201. The sentiment did make a new high, but the price is really doing nothing. Yep, it's been hitting the 206 quite a bit, dropped to the 198. Okay, yeah. Then now again 207, 208. So it's just bouncing off this, but not going anywhere from there. Okay, I get it. 205, 207, 206. Yeah. Okay. Below the 198. 206. No. I think this is going the opposite way. I'll take it out. It might drop back, but I went a little bit too aggressive up. So this, yeah, this previous low was really holding it in place. All right, let's see where we go from here. So we really have two levels now that have a lot of potential for a big move. So this bunch of lows, they are all pretty close. So if we break below this 2, which really means breaking also below this 2, then we have room to the downside. And if we break above this 2, then we have room to the upside. Then we have both of them. Probably at this point in the range, I'll probably do nothing and wait for the highs and lows to do something. Hey Charlie, thanks for joining. Thanks for the support. It's really nice not to be alone looking at the screen. And if you guys are in the chat, we're also getting a little bit of a one-on-one coaching session with Cody, which is always nice. Yeah, exactly, Cody. We're really not doing anything. And I have a really annoying delay in the chat and I need to fix it. I think there is 1 minute delay in the chat or something like that. We'll have to figure out how to do that. It is, after all, a Monday. Not much can be expected on a regular Monday afternoon. I'll give it 15 minutes to do anything. And if it doesn't go anywhere, then I'm gonna go watch TV with my wife. I think that's the plan for the night. Actually, don't have it in the chat. Yeah, I agree. Cody is surviving a range and being able to recognize a range and stay away from it and not trade during a range is becoming really my focus at the moment, because I can have 2 wonderful hours of trading and screw it all up in 20 minutes of range. Or better, I could. Now we are making big steps towards not doing that anymore. Okay, strong sentiment to the downside. It would be so nice to see breaking one or the other. If it breaks one or the other, then I think we are golden for tonight. Has been stuck here for a while. Yeah, I also don't have that expectation. But I really promise myself. I look at it until 9. After 9, I'm gone. Make the range within this range. Trend is up. It's gonna break the high. It's not gonna break the high. And now we're watching a range inside a bigger range. It's amazing. Absolutely wonderful. Yeah, sentiment is to the upside, but we are really. I am really watching a range forming inside of a bigger range, and usually that's a sign that eventually, even if it makes what I've seen it do it before, if it makes a smaller size range within a bigger size range, the smaller size range breakthrough will dictate the direction where this will go. It's not guaranteed, of course, because you have support and resistance holding it back, but at this rate, I don't think I am gonna be doing very much. Well, yeah, what I wanted to do, I miss a line on my CFX. Why do I miss a line? I have the 50. I missed the 100. That's what I miss. There we go. Yeah, here yes, but what I'm also looking at is see how we hit the high price, breach the high, but got immediately rejected from there. That's so we have sentiment, but we don't have follow through with price. And in my understanding, and keep in mind I've only been with Nick for 2 months, so I'm not the expert. But my understanding is that the wicks are noise. So really, what we're looking at is what is the price doing? What is bid and ask doing? And if the ask gets rejected so heavily by a level, then that's not really a break yet. Another reason for me to not take the trade is I am more inclined, especially in a range like this, to see the differential going above the 12. Like for example, now, no, still. is just joking around, and I don't want to get trapped here again. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, Horacio. I'm waiting for aggression. And this could be. This could be a good one. We'll see. Take it by. Yeah. Oh, there was the 264 bit there. Yeah. Let's see. Took an entry there. Let's see if we go a few pips. To 268 to 269. We break the 270. Back on 263. No, I only have the spread. Zero commission on this. Is a 9/10 of a pip spread, fix, always fix, but zero commission. So that's not too bad. Can be worse. Alright, here we have extension. My MT4 jerking out. There we go. Come on. Come on, let's go break those highs. Give me one, give us one 20 pips candle and we can all go to sleep. Yeah, I know it's touch high but not the worst. Yeah, that's right. I have another account that I have, which I use on copy trade because sometimes MT4 with it does something weird. But I have zero spread and a 0.4 commission. It's awesome. Maybe a little bit too good to be true, so I'm testing it out. Yeah, I'm watching now. I'm watching now what it's gonna do now. Keeping an eye on sentiment. As soon as I see that, I'm out. As soon as I see that, I'm out. I'm not even giving it a chance. It's really from entry. It was close at 0.9 pips in profit plus the 0.9 spread. That was almost 2 pips. I think for what the market is doing with, yeah, I agree. I agree. I think they do, and I think they play on slippage, but it's more a play account for me because it's based outside of Europe. I think they're based in Cyprus, mostly are, but I think they're based in Cyprus. But they offer a 1 to 500 leverage. So I put a mere €100 in that account, and I use 1 to 100 leverage, scoping trade from this, just to see if I can double it quickly. But not, and I don't even, like I said, I don't even look at it. I copy trade on it, and I just let it do its thing. Plexi? Never heard of Plexi. What's Plexi? Oh, the broker now is called Funded Markets. It's called Funded Markets. Is yeah, I don't know. I think is one of the so-called bucket shops. but oh, I actually saw LQD. LQD was one of those that it was on one of your guys' website. I think it was on iForex.market. There is a link to LQD that goes nowhere. I guess that's because it's called Plexi now.
Heb je een hekel aan advertenties? Wil je in alle rust naar je muziek luisteren? Meld je dan aan voor
I have a look at it.
zodat je reclamevrij en offline.
Yeah, there's still pressure to the upside. And I saw you call the reversal there. The only reason I didn't look at the reversal there is because we went from the break high, or anyway from our entry, we went up 2 pips. So when I have the 2 pips taken, then I don't look at that. I'm wondering if I want to take a re-entry here, but risking 3 pips. Oh well, that's a good reason to get booted, yo. There's always another broker to squeeze. You guys are just horrendous at making money with trading. Okay, so let's see if we see that. That was 284, it's broken. Oh, too slow. I thought about it too much. And now we've broken that. That's what I wanted to see. Beta's bounce is already up, so that was a nice extension to take. I was only looking at what level we had here to see if the bid was gonna break. Now it might extend from here. Let's see. There will be another 2 pips, I think, from here. Yeah, almost 3 already. I almost feel like if candle close and sentiment stay high after closing above there, no, sentiment is it didn't go with aggression. I don't like to see the M1 tapering like that. It was maybe a good one to take. Oh, hey, babe. So you have my lovely girlfriend is spending her Monday evening watching me looking at candles on a screen. If that's not love and support, I don't know what it is. Yeah, Rashid, that would have been a nice entry. I was just too slow. I was just too slow making the decision, and I was looking at the numbers, and yeah, here it was a nice entry somewhere here. It was an easy 2 pips. Yeah, see, that was a nice one. Okay, never mind. God, if I talk to her about trading, probably also, but she just loves the fact that I'm passionate about something, and yeah, she's always there for me, so that's why she's probably looking at me thinking, what the heck is this idiot doing? But still, just because she's there, right? Just because she's there and she let me know that she's there, I appreciate that. That's still the same move, Horacio. There was really no reason to exit whatsoever. If you had enter here below, if you had entered anywhere actually, even if you had entered on this candle here on this extension, there is still absolutely no reason to exit. And even though sentiment is making some lows here, actually this is a higher low than the one that initiated the move, so that would do nothing. She really is, Cody. She really is. I am a very lucky man. See, I would have probably got out now, Horacio. I would have probably got out now and close it there. But for me, it's 9 o'clock in the evening, and I am annoyed a little bit that I lost this move. It was really nice. It was really nice. It was actually, was it a signal for the move? Yeah. What was the buy? First buy was 827. Oh, it was down here, the buy. On this candle here. I think, yeah. Yeah, this candle gave the buy. And a little bit of rejection, then was a really big move. So if you had followed the signal, that was an 8 pip move. Yeah, really nice. Like I said, I don't know, did you ever notice this? I'll ask you one question, Cody. Now. Oh, you're going also. Thanks, Cody. Right, yeah, I'm calling it also a day. So, guys, thanks for jumping in, Cody, Horacio, Charlie. My dear love as well. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for saying hello. Thanks for the chat, Cody. Nice trading with you. And I'll be here again tomorrow around the same time. So if you're having fun, come back and say hello. Cheers.